Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Valeen Oseh again. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing before leaving so you can become a part of this family, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. My name is Valeen Oseh, and on this platform I share my experiences here in the US to motivate, empower and inspire other aspiring and current international students. So that being said, I need you to subscribe to my mailing list. The link is in my description down below, and you can as well join my Telegram group where I have a community of aspiring and current international students to help one another and to have a direct access to me, right? So the link also is in the description down below. And if you also have issues, you're confused, you want to study abroad, but you don't know how to go about it, you just need guidance, you can book a consultation with me as well. The link is in the description down below. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing those things there. As you can see, those packages there, they are my work machine, and this video is going to go up after I have uploaded the video talking about how I got my contract job, which is what I'm doing currently. So I start tomorrow, but I received those packages on Friday and on Thursday and Friday, and I just felt like I should just do an unboxing video before I do like maybe a day in my life video as somebody who is employed. So guys, let me show you what it is. This one is the one I got this one on Friday, yeah, and then this one came in on Thursday. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm trying as much as possible to stay close to the lighting so that you guys can see it properly, but just bear with me. Already, please subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll drop you guys here. Let's see. I'll drop you guys here. Hold on. I think this works. Oh no, yay, it works. It works. Please search through my channel to watch my other, at least my job search series, because this is a series, guys. So everything I'm going through, whatever it is I'm dealing with in terms of job searching in the US, and everything that I did wrong and the things that I did right, I'm going to be sharing. But most of them would be things I'm going to be sending out in my mailing list, which is why I say that you should join my mailing list so you don't miss out on anything. That is where I share my never heard before stories here on YouTube, and very vital, useful resources as well that do not make it here on YouTube. So I'll see you in my mailing list, okay? But let's move on to the unboxing proper. I think I should start off with this one.
All I got, like an afterthought, what we felt and said, red wine in your bed, on the naked floor, behind that gated door, always so discreet, on 14 Washburn Street.
So guys, I'm just going to be showing you the things that I got. I received a Bluetooth mouse, and then I also received a keyboard as well, and this is the charger. This is it. I believe this should be like the dongle to connect my hard drive or anything like that. And then this is let's open it up. Wow, I can't show you how it looks right now because my light is behind my camera, and when I do that it's just going to be too much. But maybe in my next video I'll just show you guys how I set up my work area, and from there you can see how it looks like. I'll try to film that during the day so that the light will not be like something distracting. All right, so that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and join my mailing list, my Telegram group, and book a consultation if you have issues with your study abroad journey. Until next time, I remain Valeen Oseh, and I pledge to never give up, and I hope that you do soon. Bye guys.